Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly tech review. This week we're looking at Ethereum and Bitcoin. We're looking at the support, resistance and pivot levels, the moving averages, the MACDs and the Fibonacci's. This is the tech analysis for the week ending the 3rd of May. Looking at Bitcoin against US dollar and the daily candlesticks, bullish start to the week here on Monday. Going to see Bitcoin avoid a fallback through the pivot at 51,247 to continue a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 55,382. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break back through to 55,000 levels. So barring an extended rally through the week, expect that first major resistance level and last week's high at 57,500 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Bitcoin target 60,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 61,635. A fallback through the pivot would bring the 23.6% fib at 5473 and the first major support level at 44,994 into play. Barring another extended sell-off in the week, Bitcoin should steer clear of the 38.2% fib at 41,592. Second major support level sits at 48,59. Looking at the MACDs, we have a narrowing of the bearish histograms at the start of the week, supporting this early upside. On the EMAs, however, the 50 has narrowed in on the 100 and the 200, so I need to keep an eye on that and look for any further narrowing that would pressure Bitcoin in the week. So key through the early part of the week, avoid a fallback through the pivot at 51,247 and break back through to 55,000 levels to target resistance levels. Failure to do that and support levels will come into play. Across to Ethereum against US dollar, also a bullish start to the week here. Going to see Ethereum avoid a fallback through the pivot at 2336 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 2632 and last week's new swing high, that was at 2646.2. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Ethereum to break back through to 2600 levels. So barring an extended rally through the week, expect that first major resistance level and last week's new swing high to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Ethereum target 3000 levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at 2942. A fallback through the pivot would bring the 23.6% fib at 2041 and the first major support level at 2026 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Ethereum should avoid sub 1800 levels. Second major support level sits at 1730. Looking at the MACD, we have a narrowing of the bearish histogram at the start of the week and we could be seeing the beginnings of a bullish cross, so keep an eye on that. So that's supporting some early upside. On the EMAs, the 50 is holding its ground against the 100 and the 200, also continuing to deliver a bullish indicator. So key through the early part of the week, avoid a fallback through the pivot at 2336, break back through to 2600 levels to target resistance levels and 3000. Failure to do that and support levels will be in play.